first step is going to be to select the correct size coil, then slip that in the 2 holes in the top, twist those thumb screws one at a time, just to make sure everything is nice and tight and secure. You can see what it is, you're not going to be able to pull that coil out and it's not going to move at all. At this point, you want to go ahead and then plug the mini ductor 2 in, and now it is literally glowing red hot. So we'll put this in the water. But first I'm going to try and remove it with just the standard ratchet prior to heating it up. And you can see I can put it on here, and then if I pull on this with all my force, it's not moving at all. It's not budging, and normally you would have to break out an air impact or just cut this completely off. Now let's go ahead and heat it up with the mini ductor and see if that makes a difference. I'm just slipping the coil over the nut. I'm going to press in on the button, and then when we see smoke release around the nut, we know it's extremely hot. So I'm holding in on it now. You can see the light is lighting it up. The motor's running, and it is running completely off of that inverter generator, which is just roughly 2,000 watts. Okay, now that it's starting to smoke, I'm going to use that same ratchet to try to remove it. And you can see simply by heating it up, we were able to remove it by hand with no problem at all. Now, many times when you work on a vehicle, you need to have a special wrench or maybe a special tool to get the job done, because just a standard wrench isn't going to cut it. So what you can do with the mini ductor is actually make some custom tools. You can take just a standard wrench such as this one, put it in a vise, and then all we're going to do is heat it up. It's going to heat up a very small section of the wrench, and we'll be able to take a pair of pliers at that point and then bend it into whatever shape we need to get a fastener loosened up. So I'm just going to slip the coil right over the wrench, press the button, and it's instantly going to turn on and start heating it up. Now, if you just watch it, it's going to end up turning red hot in a matter of probably 10 or 15 seconds. And then we can take that pair of pliers and bend the wrench to whatever direction we need to. So the smoke's coming off of it. I'm just holding on it. This is in real time. It's not sped up. And you're not having to take a blowtorch or anything like that to heat this up. Everything's done just using a standard wall outlet in the mini ductor 2. So I can see it now. It's turning red hot. I'll go ahead and take my hand off the button. You can see the wrench is very hot at this point. We can take it just a pair of channel locks and then bend it